Welcome back to DelphStack Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix your aqueous settings or audio settings in your OBS Studio. Just open your OBS Studio. Now here you can see when I'm just speaking, so this voice is like moving. So just want to delete this movement to decrease the background noise so the screen recording will be perfect. Just go to your settings and go to your audio, and in this global audio settings, there are lots of options you can see here, which are disabled or default. So if I just go disabled everything you can see here, there is only one thing left, which is this desktop audio. And if I also go to, again, audio setting and then just, again, return it as to disabled, enable it as to disabled, apply it. Now you can see here there is nothing here. So what you're going to do is you have to only select by default to the desktop audio. So when you record anything, it would not distort the previous noises. So this is how you can just fix the echoes or audio setting in your OBS Studio. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.